Welcome to Money Minds, where we simplify the complex world of trading and investing. If you're new to investing and wondering how to get started in 2025, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to begin your investment journey. So, let's dive in. Investing can feel intimidating at first, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you step by step. Let's start with the basics. What is investing? Investing is putting your money into assets like stocks, bonds, or real estate with the expectation of making a profit over time. Think of it as making your money work for you. Now that we've got that out of the way, let's talk about the 5 key steps to start investing as a beginner in 2025. Step 1. Set clear financial goals. Step 1. Set clear financial goals. Ask yourself, what are you investing for? Is it for retirement, buying a home, or building wealth? Knowing your why will shape your investment strategy. Step 2. Understand your risk tolerance. Step 2. Understand your risk tolerance. This is your ability to handle market ups and downs. Are you someone who can ride out the storms, or do you prefer steady, low-risk investments? Step 3. Build a budget. Step 3. Build a budget. Determine how much money you can afford to invest each month. Remember, never invest money you might need for immediate expenses. Step 4. Choose an investment platform. Step 4. Choose a reliable investment platform. There are plenty of apps and brokers out there. In 2025, look for platforms with low fees, beginner-friendly interfaces, and strong customer support. Step 5. Diversify your portfolio. Step 5. Diversify your portfolio. The golden rule of investing is, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes, like stocks, bonds, and ETFs to minimize risk. Before we wrap up, here are some additional tips for beginner investors in 2025. Start with low-cost index funds. Automate your investments. Keep a long-term perspective. Don't panic during market fluctuations. And there you have it, a simple guide to start investing in 2025. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the likes to subscribe to the channel notifications so you never miss out on future tips and tricks. Also, let me know in the comments, what are your investment goals for this year? Thanks for watching, and remember, the best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is today. See you in the next video.